Hi everyone. Today we have a new topic to discuss because our Prime Minister has introduced a new scheme of Garib Kalyan Rozgar Yojana, which is mainly focusing on migrant worker returnees. Because there are a lot of migrants who have returned their home and staying without any jobs due to this ongoing COVID-19 crisis. So, in order to boost their livelihood with some job in rural India, Prime Minister has introduced this scheme today, that is on 20 January 2020. So, this is to provide jobs and also to boost the livelihood opportunities of the migrant workers who have returned their home. And also, this is about it is covering about 50,000 crore rupees. They have already uh, allotted an amount of 50,000 crore rupees for this scheme. Okay, so this scheme is only for 125 days. As of now, what they have said is this will be for 125 days. Sometime after the completion of this 125 days, they may extend the scheme. That is not said in the details. Okay, and this will be covering about 116 district under 25 schemes. Okay, 116 district means while analyzing, what the government has noticed is that most of the migrant worker who have returned their home is mainly concentrating on this 116 district of 6 states. So what they thought is that they will be introducing a particular scheme only for these people living in this 6 states, that is in 116 district of these 6 states. Okay, so they will be merging about 25 schemes under this particular scheme. So there are about 25 schemes under different ministries. So the jobs will be provided under this 25 schemes, but under the heading of this scheme. Okay, Garib Kalyan Abhiyan. And they will be providing the job through common service centers and Krishi Vigyan Kendras. Okay, and those 6 states who are which is covering under this particular scheme is Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand and Odisha. While reading the states name itself, you can understand that most of the people who are migrating to other states are from these states. Okay, and the works which is providing jobs mainly like works like provision of gas pipelines. I already told you that this will be comprising of 25 schemes. So these schemes are taking they are mainly finishing, or they are covering schemes like jobs like these type of that. I have already listed some of the jobs which is coming under all those 25 schemes. So one is provision of gas and pipelines, then skill development training, works under district mineral fund, waste management works, Anganwadi centers, rural roads, rural housing, railway works, then urban mention in rural areas which are taking shape in urban areas, and solar pump set, laying of fiber optic cables, Jal Jeevan. So these are some of the works which will be providing jobs for this um, migrant workers. So the point you have to note is that these migrant workers, when they are migrating to some other states like southern states, they are mainly getting jobs in these kind of areas like what construction areas, then road works, such kind of works, or some other skill where they need skills, that kind of areas they are working. So these skills can be utilized in their home itself. That is the advantage of the scheme. So they have already got the skill by working in the other states, and when they are returning back to their home under these all these 25 schemes, they will be giving jobs. So these skills they can utilize for what creating proper asset in these areas. Along with that, they will be getting a job. So there are two advantages. One is that their home state will be getting, or their home village will be getting permanent assets under the scheme, and also they will be getting jobs, which is important for their livelihood. Okay, and this is for the first time the internet is being used for more in this village. That is, they will be undertaking work for raising internet speed, laying of fiber cables in the villages, etc. This is also included in this works. Okay, and also I told you that there are about 25 schemes involved in this single scheme. So there are about 12 ministries are involved, like rural development, Panchayati Raj, road and transport and highways, mines, drinking water and sanitation, environment, railways, petroleum and natural gas, new renewable energy, then border roads, telecom, agriculture, etc. So I have listed almost all the 12 ministries which is coming under this, or they are combining all these schemes which is coming under this ministries. So what the thing is, that all this ministry has come together and they will be working together to provide job for this migrant workers in their home area. So the best benefit is that they will be getting employment near their home. They will not be able to search for job in other areas during this COVID-19 season, because this will be difficult for them to find a new job, and this scheme will be providing the best job for their skills in their home range or home area itself. And this will be enabling asset creation in the rural area and provide work, and also they will be providing livelihood opportunities. And the best part is that for years, Finance Commission has been suggesting that government should pump more money to the rural areas through this panchayat and all. So under this scheme, the central government will be providing more fund for this ministries, the panchayat or local governments. So they will be utilizing all the fund given to them for providing job to these migrant people. So for more fund will be allotted to this panchayat and local governments. That is one of the plus point of this scheme. And also sometime most works which are staying incomplete, like gel there are some works which may be pending under some particular schemes like Jal Jeevan scheme. So all those unfinished or incompleted work will get completed under this scheme with the low cost, because they will be getting cheap labor who are in their area itself. So this will be beneficial for the migrant workers as well as for the government, because easily they will be getting an assets, and also the migrant workers will be getting job and their livelihood will be ensured with the proper development of that rural area. So that's all. Thank you.